Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, here to unbox a kit that I personally have been waiting for a very long time. This is Tamiya's 1/48 scale P-38J Lightning. You may be familiar with the F and G variant that came out a few years ago. Now they have finally released one in the J variant, which of course is made famous by its bare metal color scheme. And this particular kit features the famous Marge marking from ace pilot Richard Bond. So let's not waste any more time, let's get into this thing already. If you're familiar with the F and G variants of this kit, you'll already know that this is considered by many to be one of the best molded kits ever made. Anyone who's built this has admitted that it goes together like Lego. So anyway, here you've got the top half of the wing spar. Here's your twin boom fuselages. Looks like it has complete rivet detail. I'd expect nothing less. There is the bottom half of the wings, as well as the elevator, propellers, the nose coverings. There is, of course, aftermarket parts that you can purchase if you want to display the gun bay. Here you have fuel tanks, rudders, tires, I see some turbochargers in there as well, and a bunch of other minor details. This is mostly instrument panels, landing gear legs, one gear door, as well as the 50 caliber machine guns. Very nice, very clear canopy parts. And they of course allow you to display it open or closed. This is the bottom half of the cockpit housing. And yes, this one also comes with a pilot. And the last sprue here, mainly some internal detail. Yeah, this mostly looks like the inside of the gear bays, as well as housings for what I will show you in just a second. Now, since this is a tricycle landing gear aircraft, you'll come across the issue of a tail sitter if it's not weighted down properly in the nose. But thankfully, Tamiya was very kind enough to give you these free metal weights, which seem to be fused to the box and I don't really want to pull out. But yeah, these are weighed accurately and will prevent your model from tail sitting. So basically this kit pretty much is the exact same as the F and G variants, with the exception of these paint schemes. This here is a true to scale map of the two marking options you get here, and they are both in bare metal silver. The decal sheet is just in here. I'm afraid I can't really show it, but I can show you the canopy mask. It's not die cut, so you'll have to cut it yourself, but a welcome addition. You get a little booklet with some background information on this variant of the Lightning. And that's the map for the other marking, which is of course Richard Bond's P-38. And lastly, your instruction book. Pretty thick. Let's see, there's 55 steps in this one. Very nice. Alright, in conclusion, if you were a big fan of Tamiya's previous P-38, but you were disappointed that you couldn't do a bare metal finish, here is your saving grace. Another 5-star kit from Tamiya, and you can pick yours up today at Sunward Hobbies.